This is the biggest and best sales funnel design training program in Nigeria right now. If you do business online and you are tired of struggling to design sales funnels that convert to massive lead and sales for your business, or you are looking for a high income digital skill to learn, then listen to me attentively. My name is Kevin King. I'm an experienced online business owner. I've been doing business online since 2010. I'm the founder of Sabi Mentors and also the founder of Sabi Mentors, and I also run a funnel design agency. I've been building sales funnels since 2015, and I've built hundreds and hundreds of sales funnels that sold millions for me and my clients. I've created a simple to follow step-by-step training program that will show you my best kept secret to designing brilliant and high converting sales funnels in minutes, not days or weeks, but in minutes. I didn't just stop there. I also went on to add the premium tools that will help you build brilliant and high converting sales funnels. I didn't just stop there. I also added premium and exclusive support from me for the next 1 year. So if you are tired of struggling to design sales funnels for your business, if you are tired of paying expensive funnel designers, if you are looking for a high income digital skill to learn, then this course is a must for you. To learn more about my online course and hopefully enroll, click the link below to get started. I'm looking forward to seeing you on the inside. Peace out, guys. One love.